Not again. Warning.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, east central Custer County in western Oklahoma, until midnight Central Daylight Time at 11:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northeast of Weatherford, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs,
I want to listen to this.
siding, windows, and vehicles.
I want to listen.
Wind damage to roofs, siding,
You got that program too?
No, but it's was part of Blaine County, part of Canadian County.
Hydro and Greenfield. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a river flood warning.